I'm excited to show you guys today. Native Notify has a new feature called topic push notifications for the React Native Expo framework. I'm going to walk through exactly how it works in this video. Studies show that segmenting your users into groups based on their topic interests can more than double your push notification click-through rates. So your users could be twice as likely to tap on a push notification if you send them notifications based on their specific interests. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do, if you haven't already, is to go to nativenotify.com. Click this sign up free button. It's free to sign up. There's no credit card required. That'll take you to a page like this. Again, if it's your first time, you'll want to click create an app, React Native Expo. Follow these instructions. All you'll have to do is npm install the Native Notify package and then import the register NN push token and then paste this register NN push token into your app.js file or app.tsx file, and push notifications are already installed in your app. If you'd like to learn more about this startup process, there should be a video that pops up on the screen. You can watch that video to go through the start here process. The second thing you'll need set up is something called Indie Push Notifications. So you'd want to click this Indie Push Notification Setup Guide tab. You'll want to make sure you have Indie Push Notifications set up. What that means is you'll be able to send push notifications to individuals, not just mass push notifications, but individual push notifications too. Once you follow the start here guide, you can send push notifications to all of your users. Once you follow the Indie Push Notification Setup Guide, you'll be able to send push notifications to individuals, so to one user at a time. You'll need to do that because whenever you register a user, you're going to be assigning a unique user ID for each of your users. We'll need that unique user ID when we set up topic push notifications. If you haven't done that already, here's a video that can walk you through that. I'll kind of be showing you how to do it in this video. Usually you'll want to put this register ID function in like a login function. And whenever the user logs in, you can take that user's ID and register it with us using this register ID function. And I'll show you how to do that in this video. And once you've done that, you're ready to go on to topic notifications, which you can find right here. It looks like a group of people on the left side of the screen. You can click that, and this will walk you through topic group notifications. I'll put this code in the description below if you'd like to check it out. I'll just point out some screens in here. The main screens to worry about would be the app.tsx screen. You'll notice I put the register NN push token function there to get push notifications set up in the app. I'll show you what this app looks like. So on the tab screen 1, we just have a login button, and I'll show you what's going on in here. If you go to the edit screen info, this is the information that's on the login screen, the tab 1 screen. If you look in here, you'll notice this login button, attached to it is this handle login function. And within that handle login function, I'm registering the Indie ID. And so this is basically like whatever your login function is, however you get the user's ID. At that moment, at login, you can register the user. And my user ID, I'm just going to say user1, user-1. But you may be using something like a universally unique ID. Whatever you've got saved for each of your individual users, you'll want to use that whenever you're registering each individual with us at the time of login. And now you'll see whenever I click login, it takes me to these topics that I've created. And you can find that in the tab 2 screen in the code. And I'll just show you what's going on. So this is an app I created earlier. I created some topics that can be found down here. You'll notice once you start adding topics, this will pop up here. Once you have at least one topic, then you can start sending topic notifications. So I'll just show you what happens first though. So we'll create another topic. Right now I have burgers, cars, music, pants, pets, shirts, tacos. I'll just say movies as another topic. Create that topic. You'll notice it pops up down here. And then from that point on, you can see your topic group subscriber count. So as of right now, I have one user subscribed to my burgers topic. So I could come up here now and click burgers, and then I could just send push notifications to the users who like burgers. So maybe I could send a discount code just to users who like burgers. The way to see the different APIs that you have, you click this show topic group APIs button. You'll notice this first function here shows you how to get all the names of your topic groups. So I went ahead and just copied this URL. In my function on this second screen in the use effect, I'm using Axios, but you can use fetch. I use that get URL in the Axios request, and I'll add a console log here so you can see what it looks like. So you can see whenever you trigger that get function, it gives you an array of your topic group names that you've created already. And so then I was able to use a map function to have all the topics appear on my screen. And then with each of these, what I did was I made each topic a button using touchable opacity. And then I attached a function I created to it. And as the parameter, I passed in the e topic group names. So whatever the name is that's attached to that specific group name. And the way this function works, handle topic sub, is it will subscribe this user, user one. Again, remember over here when we log in as user one. User one is the user ID. And then whenever that user clicks on something, so I'll click burgers. I've already clicked this before. And so it let me know follower sub ID already exists. So the reason it already exists is because this user is already subscribed to the burgers topic. He really likes burgers. And if you want to subscribe a user to a topic, you can come back to your documentation. Down here, it shows you how to subscribe a user to a topic. The way you do that is you use this post request, this post follower, and then you would use this post body. For the master sub ID, that's your topic name. So you'll notice if we go back to our code, the master sub ID post is the topic name. So when I clicked on burgers, it gave that burger topic name as the sub ID. So what I'm saying is I want to subscribe this user to the burgers topic. And so maybe the way that this could work in real life is if it's like a food app and a user buys burgers, maybe you could just, whenever they go to checkout and pay, you can just automatically subscribe them to the burgers topic. And then you'll notice for the follower sub ID, this is the indie sub ID that you want to be subscribed to that specific topic. So remember, I mentioned in the documentation, you want to make sure you follow this indie push notification setup guide. That's because you'll want to make sure to subscribe the user with us first before you subscribe them to a topic group, or it just won't work. And so those are really the only ones we need to worry about right now. But if you ever want to unfollow a user from a topic, there is an API for that. You can just use this put request here to unfollow a user from a topic if they don't want to follow that topic anymore for whatever reason. Also, for your personal use, if you need to see what indie sub IDs are subscribed to a specific topic, you can use this get request. I'll actually show how this works using Postman. So I'll go ahead and copy this get request, and I have a get request here. I'll just go ahead and paste it here, and I'll show you what appears. So for your topic group name, that's the only thing you need to change. So I'm going to change this to burgers and see what it returns. All right, so it returns the sub ID user one. So we know user one is subscribed to burgers, and we know the number of users subscribed to burgers is 1. So if there were 10 different users subscribed to burgers, you would see all 10 of their sub IDs here. You would see the number 10 here to know that there's 10 subscribers to this topic. And then if you ever want to delete a topic group, you can use this function here. And then just update this topic group name here. So just to give you an example of how this works again, I'm also going to subscribe to say music and pants. So user one is currently subscribed to burgers, music, pants. Now you can come up here and I'm going to click on burgers and I'll just say there is a sale on burgers today only. Use discount code 20 off on burgers today. So I'm going to send that. All right. So that one showed up. That push notification showed up. Let's see if it'll show up with cars. I'm not subscribed to cars. So let's see. I'll click cars, test. I'll send it. And as you can see, it didn't show up. There wasn't a notification sent. So that's how topic push notifications work. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Do you like topic push notifications? Do you want any additional features? Is there anything you'd change about it? If you like this video, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.